It came off.
If you follow me on Instagram or YouTube, you see me complain about my front lip. Every single week, it gets worse and worse and worse to a point where it finally flew off on the freeway. Well, half of it did. Time to throw this shit away. Oh shit, oh crap. Stay in there, you piece of crap. I'm just gonna get a brand new cheap lip, and I did. But there is a big problem with this cheap lip.
Oh no! Oh no!
It came off.
The title of this video is New Lip on the GS350. So you're probably wondering, Eddie, use some logic, bro. Why the hell are you putting another lip on your car? Let me show you guys why. I reached out to Extreme Online Store because I saw that they had a lip design that looked a lot more daily driver friendly. Talk about not Mickey Mousing the package. Protectors on. It feels like Christmas and summer. Whoa. Oh wow. Yeah, this is really nice packaging. That was like a custom box just for the lip. They gave us hardware. That is super cool. They gave an alcohol wipe for the 3M tape. And oh shit, damn. And also all the little screws. Whoa, that is really glossy. I feel like a kid struggling to open his Christmas present. Oh, it's light. It's light. That is such a huge difference. That is gonna be so much more better. It's like way less material for me to freaking rub up against driveways. What's the point of having a really nice front lip if you can't even go to the freaking grocery store? Enough babbling. Let's get this guy on. In the last lip video, I learned a little trick. Use ramps to hold the lip up. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Just got my brand new lip and I don't want to drop it. It is actually really hot out here, but it doesn't matter because I want this lip on. I'm gonna get the ends, not necessarily tightened up. I'm just gonna get them in place so I can hold the lip. From there, I'm gonna wipe this down, get the 3M tape on, and then taper in the rest of the screws. Let's get started. There's a screw right here that lines up perfectly with one of the OEM holes. It's kind of holding the lip in place. Before I commit to anything, let's make sure we're even on both sides. So if I measure from here, 2 inches, let's check out the other side. So that same corner here, here, and we are also at 2 inches. Let's wipe this down and get this lip attached. I'm gonna cut this in half. One half is gonna be for the lip, and then the other half is gonna be for, you know, and then the other half is gonna be for, you know what, screw it. So due to the different material on the Lexus GS350 grills, the 3M tape really isn't meant to hold the lip up. It's more so you can mock it up and then drill in the screws. Trust me guys, once you drill in those screws, this lip is not going anywhere. There is enough holes that Extreme Online Store placed on this lip, so it will stay on your car and not become part of the freeway. What you want to do here for these 2 middle inserts is just, damn it, you want to screw it in just a little tiny bit where the screw sticks out a little bit, and then that way you can push it up against the car and screw in the rest. All right, man. Been rolling around in the dirt. I kind of have the lip on. It's being held on by 3M tape and a few screws. I'm gonna do this right. I'm gonna get the lip up on the ramps now. The cool thing about this lip is that it is ramp friendly. I could already see that. I should clear this, no problem. It's good. That's scary. I didn't feel the ramp catch. For stuff like this, I don't want this video to be Eddie GS350 dies. We're gonna go a little bit more forward. All right, so they're a caught, right? Okay. Even though I'm not fully going under the car, still safety first. Still need a, that shit can still squish my melon. It's getting dark and this lip needs to go on. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with the rest of the install. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just drill in the screws at, I was about to say EKC store, Extreme Online Store provided. They have guides where to screw in, and they do provide extra screws so that you can kind of use it at your discretion where you feel you want to maybe add some additional screws. But yeah, it's a pretty easy install. Dad has never liked me having a lip on my car because I can't go in and out of the driveway. But I'm gonna ask him what he thinks about this lip. ¿Qué piensas del lip?
Pues, yo lo miro muy bien.
¿Se ve bien? ¿Mejor que el otro que
Sí, sí, este se mira bastante mejor.
Ok, entonces vamos a ver si puedo bajar el driveway
Sí.
sin problemas. Moment of truth. Let's see if I could, one, clear the ramps first. That's the first thing I gotta do, is clear these ramps. And then two is clear the driveway. Alright. And that's the way I come out, no problems, which has never been the case. All right, so now let's go back in the way I would normally come in. This is the way I come in, like this. What is my final verdict of the lip? Just look at the amount of shine this lip has. Like, sheesh, that is insane. Really like Nia lips, no dig to them, but I like that there's no logo there. Let's ask Christy what she thinks about the lip.
Shinier now.
What'd you think about the last lip?
Looks like a piece of plastic.
So this actually looks like a real lip. This lip is real carbon fiber. If you've been following the channel, it is no surprise to you that Eddie GS350 is cheap as hell. But I do believe in spending money when it's worth it. And this is one of those cases because you're getting a lip that is daily drivable, so you're not gonna freaking break it at the first driveway you see. Really nice gloss, like it just shines in the sun. And three, shit, what was I gonna say for number three? Oh, and three, the fitment is spot on. Like, it has the OEM holes, everything just drills in. If you made it to the end of the video, subscribe, like, comment, you're a real one. Get your own Lexus leather key fobs. This is sport blue with black stitching. All right guys, peace. Oh crap, that actually made my hand cramp.